Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you all? Hi to all. Now today I will demonstrate you how you will download and also how you will use Filmora to making different type of videos. Right, if you want to download from here, you can Filmora. You will write free download Filmora for Windows 7 64-bit, or if you want to use 32-bit, you can. You click here and you will easy download from here, free. Right, from here you can easily download. After downloading that one, you will install that software. After installing that one, how you will use? You will double click on it. It will going to start. If you are new on my channel, new user, you will click on subscribe and click on bell icon, right, and like my video. And also if you want to give the comments, you can. We will click here for first full features, right, this one. Now first of all, how you will import the pictures, right? If you want to import the picture, you can, right? Now these menu is there, we will discuss in next video inshallah. Now new project, we already new project started, and you save and open the project. You can previously you save and you can open that one, exit and this type of thing. Import media files, you can edit different. Edit is there for redo, undo, and also cut, copy, paste and delete. Export video in different format, you can export for YouTube, Facebook, and you want to burn DVD, you can. Okay, now when you import different media files here, it is using for showing you the result, means you can run or play the video. Media, music is there, text edit, credit is here, translation is here. We will discuss step by step. First we will go for media and we will import the file. Only we will import 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 picture. Select with the shift and arrow key, right arrow key. I select this one, 8 picture, right? We can import from here and we will click on. If you want to import all, then Control A, you will press, select the all pictures, import here. If you want to add all picture, you will click only simple date sign, plus sign, addition sign, and add will be project. These picture will be added. If you want to step by step, you want to add the picture, you can. I click here because all the picture is selected. Now it will become directly here 8 pictures. If you want to add one by one, you will click here, it will be one by one, you can add it. I want to delete this picture. How you will delete? Select and you will delete from here. This is called to zoom in, right? You can see this is using for zoom out. Okay, now if you want to give that one size of the picture is big, you can go there and you can add that one duration, just like that. It will be changing the duration, right, of that picture. Timing means, okay, we drag this one. It is very useful for the kids, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 kids, and also for the elders. If you want to make a video for your picture, you can, right? I drag here. After dragging this one, you want to add the music. You will click here for music, and which music you want, you can. For the young and bright, these are the all. If you click here all, and if you want to only click one by one, then you will go through it. You click add that one and you will click here until this picture. I will take that one, right? Okay, after that we will go for text and credit. It is showing all 138. If you want to customize that one, you click here, if opener, right? Now we select this one arrow here, and if you want to click here and if you want to change this one, if you double click on it, you can change. You want to write your name, you can. You click here. Now if you write here, and if you want to write anything else, you can. If you want to write here, I write here northern areas, trip to northern area. From here you can change the font face. From here you want to change the font face. This one you want to increase the size, bold, italic, alignment, center align, left align. These are the color, line spacing, and also that one letter spacing. Okay, we click here OK. Now we'll go for, I drag this one here. Now I want to write here label. We enter here and double click on this label, and you can write here cold. And here also you can change the font size and these type of things. Now I am going to click on transaction. We click here, there are different type of transaction. This is basic, fancy, alright. We click here, and the first one I recommend this one, right? You can. With this picture we click here, only 3 transactions we include. And filter, we click here filter, this one we drag it. If you want to increase the duration, you can. Now I click on this first one, for this one burning. If you want to increase that one, you can. Okay, now these are the for nightlife. You click here, a different type of which you want, you can, right? I click here. Now that one I want to increase this one, for example emboss, right? Okay, now we go for overlay. We click here this one, and the other one I click this one. You can increase also this one. When you click here and drag it right side, you can. Now how you will save your project? File and save project. I will write here northern area. You save. After saving this one, I want to import this one also, and we click here. This same thing we can import from here, and this is using for play. Okay, after that, if you click here for play from the starting, start from here, we click here and play. It is a very interesting video. You can easily make from it. And you can easily take a snapshot also. You click here and you can take a snapshot also, right? Now Okay, now stop that one. How we will import? Click here or from import. We click here, import that one. These are different format, right? And it is using for mobile, right? Phones, for YouTube, Facebook, and this one using for Vimeo and also DVD burner. We will click here. We'll import that one MP4 and we will click here for import. After clicking this one, we'll go for continue. Now let's see, it will take some time. This software for all age level. If you are going to make a video, you can easily use this software. It is very interesting software. Now it takes some time. It is converting. We'll wait for some minutes. You like this video, then you will subscribe my channel and also click on bell icon. I make a new video, then it will be automatically notification will be come to you. And please write the comments about that video or demonstration. That is going to that one. Now I make a different type of videos for different purpose. If you need a skill, then you use that videos. Okay, now 2 or 3 seconds more. Okay, watermark will be there. If you want to remove, you can go there and you register your software. Okay, now we go there. Let's see. Now this one my first video. We click here, right? Find the target. If you want to click here, you can. It will go for the target. This is the target. When you double click on it, it will be run MP4. Okay, now if you want to give that one, you want to insert music by yourself, you can. When you click on multimedia, this one, import, right? You can import media files, and for example, you have music file, any music file, right? If you download from the net, if you want to insert that one, you can, right? Just like that. From add, you can add that one. Okay. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care by yourself in this pandemic. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.